All right, Tim, take a look at the Air Duster. So this actually comes with a bunch of brushes, and it even comes with a keycap puller for your keyboard. So if you want to pull all the keys off of a keyboard so that you can get underneath it and really clean it out thoroughly, you can actually do that with this kit. This is very cool. So we got kind of a fine detail brush with stiff bristles, so that's going to be great for trying to get like, any kind of like crusted in gunk off. We got a thicker brush, and then we got our medium brush with also coarse bristles. Then we have a very soft brush, so this is almost like a makeup brush, so if you just need to get dust off, this is going to be a great brush for that. We got a couple nozzles for the duster, so if you need to reduce the size, so if you need to get inside of a tighter area, you can do that. And then we got this brush duster nozzle so we can actually make some contact and move some stuff while we're blowing it away. Got a USB-A to USB-C charging cord, and it looks like it comes in a bag. So that is the duster. It is very cool looking. I really like that grill that they got on the back. Hey, that's nice. So most of these things have a push button. You gotta like press it or press and hold, do all kinds of weird things. It's just got a knob. That pushes a ton of air too. That is insane. And I really like that little light they got on the middle. You can actually see what you're doing. The next thing I really like about this is that it's just small. It's very compact, so I can actually fit this in areas I can't fit other dusters. Most of them stick out quite a bit further, so you can still fit those in fairly small areas, but where you couldn't fit those, you can actually fit this one. So if we want to attach our reducer, it looks like it just threads in. That's kind of cool. You can still see the light coming out of it. But that is pushing out a ton of air. Like a surprising amount of air. That is actually kind of nuts, just how much air this thing is pushing out. And then we got our charging port in the back, so we can just plug that in and charge it back up whenever we're done. So that makes this a lot nicer than those little compressed cans because we can reuse this thing over and over. Until I use this one, I never even realized how nice it is having a light on this thing, so you can actually see what it is that you're working on. That's a really nice feature. And there's no way that they could have done that any better either, because they put that directly in the middle of the fan, so no matter where you're pointing this thing, even no matter what kind of a reducer you have on here, you're still going to be able to see. That is cool. And we are nice and clean. That thing works awesome. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.